Hi everybody, we're going to try to drill out this lock here. This is an option if you can't pick a lock or need to get through a lock. It's definitely an option. It's not necessarily the best, and it's not picking a lock. You totally destroy it. So we'll see if we could get this lock to unlock here. I'm going to start with a 1/8 inch drill bit here. I'm going to go in up here at the top where the pins are going to be. Okay, go nice and easy, no hurry. Oh, gotta go in forward. You'll see me go through the pins. There's one. Okay, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna increase my bit size, and that's an old bit, so it was going real slow. I'm gonna get a fresher bit here. I'll try a 3/16 bit here, and it's not so used up. You see my hole I've made. Gonna make it a little bit wider and give room for the pins to fall down, get chewed up here. Okay, I've pretty much destroyed any pins in there, hopefully. There's a pin right there. Getting ready to come out. There it goes. Less of an art, more of just a brute thing. Tap it a little bit. Taking a look, see some springs and a few pins in there a little bit. I'm going to go a little bit wider. 1/4 inch bit. So here we go. 1/4 inch, hopefully just make the hole a little bit wider to where whatever pins are still in there will give up on me. Whoopsie-daisy. Back it off here. Let's see how to have that. Just down there like that. There we go. Tighten her up. Back her out, get a restart here. Okay. Let's do it again. Oh, you saw the plug spin there. which is a clear indication that it's unlocked. There you go. Well, it spun around with the drill. It's upside down anyway. You get the point. I can send my bit back there again and free the stuff up, but getting a little bit long on my video. Pretty much destroy the lock. The plug did spin. Let's see here. Spin around in there. So it's unlocked. You can even see the top of it where I kind of, I don't know if I can show that. Chewed up right about there. Anyway, I just thought I'd make a little video of destroying a lock. Don't do this a lot, so figured I got a cheap lock and chewed it up for you.